Hey all my cool cats and kittens. Welcome to virtual math class. Yay. Alright, so what I'm going to try and do is provide you guys a video if we're doing notes. Well, obviously not a video of me, but a video of me talking. I guess that'd just be audio. So just audio of me talking and going through our notes and stuff. But for today, for day one, I'm just going to go over the PowerPoint I created for you guys and then show you where everything is in Canvas. Alright, here we go. So office hours, all of your teachers have office hours, including elective teachers. My office hours are on Monday, 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., and then Thursday, 1 to 4. What that means, so each teacher is able to kind of decide what they want to do with office hours, but what I think I'm going to do, instead of breaking it up by block like Randolph wants us to do, what I'm going to do is at 10 o'clock every Monday morning, I'm going to host a Zoom for whoever wants to join. If you got questions, if you just want to see other people's faces because you're bored in the house and in the house bored. So that's Monday at 10 a.m. And then on Thursday at 1 p.m., I'll also host a Zoom just in case you're going crazy. But that doesn't mean that I'm unavailable any other time. So what I'd love for you guys to do is try out the math stuff that I'm posting. And if you have a question, let me know. I'll Zoom with you pretty much whenever. A lot of teachers are being really strict about their office hours. Like they won't respond to you immediately if it's not within office hours, which is what office hours means, that we have to respond pretty much immediately. But I pretty much keep my phone on me, so the best way to reach me is via text. I sent that to you guys in an email, my phone number. Text, a DM, or I don't know. Those are probably the best ways to reach me. Or email, because I get that on my phone too. And then we can set up a Zoom if you need to talk about something or whatever. And I'd love to talk to you guys. I miss you guys. So basically, just let me know when you need me and we'll figure something out. This is an example schedule for students at Randolph. That's a lot of words and I don't feel like reading it. But if you look on Monday, it says 8 to 9, you're going to eat breakfast. Dang, y'all must eat for a long time. And then 9 to 12, you're checking in with math. That doesn't mean for 3 hours you're checking in with your math teacher. That means that those are the hours that we have office hours, whether you show up or not. So, and I'll show you another little planner thing that I want you guys to make for today. That's your assignment for today. Your math notes and notebook, you're still going to have notes. You're still going to have technically a notebook. However, I need you guys to create a math folder in your Google Drive. So if you need to take a few seconds here, pause the video, and please create a math folder in your Google Drive. I would show you how to do it, but I'm afraid I would never get back to this PowerPoint. I don't know what I'm doing with the screencast. So math folder in your Google Drive, and I would click the little plus sign, click on new folder or folder, I don't know what it says, and type in Math Hunter. Everything that I'm gonna give you guys. Oh, there's one of your teachers, I don't know who. What I'm going to give you guys are notes, and they are still fill in the blank. However, I have made them so that you can type in them, so that you can just keep them all stored in your Google Drive folder, and you don't ever have to print them out. You can still print them out if you want, and I think that that's probably best, but if you don't have that capability, which I don't even think I have a printer that works, you'll still be able to type in the notes and then save them. So we're just really doing everything virtually. That's the same thing with your homework. If you'd like to print off your homework, awesome, great. If not, I'm making your homework so that you can type into the page as well and save it and then submit it on Canvas. We're all using Canvas, by the way. That's one of Miss Nash's form answers for today. Warm-ups and notes and homework, I'm still going to try and run it like a normal class. And we'll see how that goes. So you're still going to have a daily warm-up, and you've got a Monday warm-up already for today. You'll have a Tuesday warm-up, and you'll have a Wednesday warm-up, and then spring break starts for you guys Thursday. You're still going to have weekly homework. It'll always be posted on the first day of the week, due at the end of the week. and your notes are still going to be that entire thick packet. Not that you'd be able to lose it virtually, but that way all of your notes are still together with an imaginary staple and a beautiful folder in your Google Drive. Suggestions for you guys. How can I continue learning virtually? Because I know you're all very worried about that. How can I stay organized? Y'all need help. How do I stay connected? Oh, there's Mr. Reed. Hi, Mr. Reed. Okay, so what we're going to do is not read this. You can read it on your own. That's all I got. All right, I hope to see you guys at my Zoom at 10 o'clock because today is Monday. And I've posted the Zoom code and everything on Canvas. If you need anything, feel free to reach out, text me, email me, Canvas chat, but I don't really know how that works. DM, whatever. All right, love you guys. Have a good day. Bye. Now I just got to figure out how to end my recording. Escape. Oh, there it is. Okay, bye.